Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract saved Wi-Fi passwords in Windows using a single command prompt line. The full CMD code is available in the description and also pinned in the comments section. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu, type CMD, and select Run as administrator. Now copy and paste the command below into command prompt. Again, the command is in the video description and pinned comment for easy access. If this helped you, kindly like the video and subscribe for more easy Windows tricks. The CMD code is in the description and pinned in the comments section. If you need help, reach me through the WhatsApp link in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.